3, 2, 1.
I burn brightly, but never die. What am I? The answer is A, sun. In what kind of accident was George Clooney injured on September 21, 2007? The answer is C, motorcycle crash. The heath hen, an extinct small wild fowl, was a relative of the prairie chicken. Which of the following most likely caused extinction of the heath hen? The answer is A, overhunting. Which substance was used to anesthetize patients before ether was discovered? The answer is B, nitrous oxide. Shane Battier appeared on the cover of what video game? The answer is B, NCAA March Madness 2002. Which supply helps in cutting paper? The answer is C, scissors. Who was the first woman to serve as president in India? The answer is C, Pratibha Patil. Winds blowing inland from oceans tend to have greater moisture than winds blowing over land. How does the high moisture content affect the coastal area climate? The answer is C, there is greater precipitation. The Davis Mountains in West Texas used to be taller than they are now. Which of the following conditions most likely caused the mountains to become shorter over time? The answer is C, rain and wind. What is a bowler's protective gear in cricket? The answer is A, helmet. I can make you laugh, cry, and feel a range of emotions. What am I? The answer is D, movie. I store and read data, but don't have a screen or keyboard. What am I? The answer is D, USB flash drive. How does the sun most affect the water cycle? The answer is A, the sun causes the ocean water to evaporate. What is the name for the period lasting approximately 273.15 degrees Kelvin? The answer is D, boiling point. Who plays Sam Dawson in the movie I Am Sam? The answer is A, Sean Penn. What disorder is characterized by intense fear or discomfort around open spaces, atheism? The answer is B, agoraphobia. I'm used to clean wounds, but if you drink it straight, it could leave a sting. What am I? The answer is B, alcohol. When the first Apollo astronauts landed on the moon, they left a memento behind. What was it? The answer is A, a 33 RPM record. Who is known as the great emancipator in U.S. history? The answer is A, Abraham Lincoln. Where in the world would you most expect to be served bigos? The answer is D, Poland. What is the name of the show where people talk about other TV shows and pop culture? The answer is C, The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. What is the most worn color in clothing worldwide? The answer is C, black. What was the name of Nicolas Cage's character in the movie City of Angels? The answer is A, Seth. I'm never hungry, I never tire. Wherever I am, there I abide. What am I? The answer is A, battery. Which invention is associated with Sir Isaac Newton? The answer is B, refracting telescope. The Dybbuk box, which presumably contained a spirit, was what type of box? The answer is A, wine cabinet box. Which computer company was founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in 1976? The answer is C, IBM. What is an important level of organization in ecology and a unit of microevolution? The answer is D, population. Which of the following observations best supports the conclusion that two animal species evolved from a common ancestor in recent geological history? The answer is B, the species have similar bone structure. Chipmunks are small squirrel-like rodents belonging to the genus Tamias. What does the Greek word tamias mean? The answer is B, store. I let you see and hear, but I don't have eyes or ears. What am I? The answer is A, monitor. What kind of animal is King Harold, Fiona's father in the Shrek movies? The answer is C, frog. Which language uses a different script than other Indo-European languages? The answer is B, Hungarian. What was the cause of American actor Oliver Hardy's death on August 7, 1957? The answer is C, stroke. What type of chair has a seat and back made of woven materials? The answer is D, wicker chair. The most spoken language in Africa is? The answer is C, Spanish. Which game features a world where players control a rabbit with a sword? The answer is D, Kirby. The language Sylheti belongs to which language family? The answer is B, Indo-European. Which of the following color of egg is incorrect for a chicken egg? The answer is D. Black. It is thought that Triceratops was able to run how fast? The answer is B. 15 mph. I have a spine, yet can't stand alone. What am I? The answer is D. Book. What physical reaction is pepper believed to stimulate? The answer is A. Sneezing. I have a heart that beats, but I'm not alive. What am I? The answer is C. Compact disc player. I am full of secrets, yet visible to all. What am I? The answer is D. Capital city. The structure of voodoo, as we know it today, was developed after the Europeans started slavery. Where was voodoo born? The answer is D. Haiti. What multi-talented performer urged Sammy Davis Jr. to include comedy and impressions into the group's act? The answer is C. Mickey Rooney. I have a world but no legs. What am I? The answer is B. Computer game. I'm a gas at room temperature, yet solids and liquids can't contain me. What am I? The answer is A. Air. Where and when does the opening scene of The Last Crusade take place? The answer is B. Utah, 1912. What tool is used for digging soil or ground?